What's this? What's this over here? Oh my gosh! Holy smokes! There's a dead body! What's going on? Oh, somebody cut that poor girl's arm off. Hey, wait a minute. That smells tasty. Oh, I'm gonna eat that. I'll bite you. That's a tasty body.
Wait, what's going on over here?
Oh, no. It was not me. I just showed up. I didn't do it. I swear. I figured, I mean, she's not barbecued, but you're so delicious. I didn't do it, I swear.
You have to go to the pounders.
Oh!
Ah! Contact!
I should leave both of you now.
Help me! Help me!
No, I will bite you.
Oh, my head! Ah!
We got you. I will eat you now, too. I have delicious meal. My name is Bella, and I like to eat people.
Kimberly, where did you go? Ah! Kimberly and a cop!
Oh, my God. She smells like curry. Ah!
Hey, I'm not black.
Oh, that's your stuff.